One of the focuses of the project is to help advance commercial technology. My name is Laura Evans, and I lead a team of researchers in 3D printing the next generation of rocket engines. We can create designs, rapidly look at them, prototype them. We can turn around parts in months. We're looking at two main processes. They both use metal powders to create the part. The challenge is making sure they're just as strong and they're going to work as well as conventional manufacture. We do these hot fire tests, and then we see if it falls apart. We're pushing the envelope so much that things don't work all the time. And it's not like it's a disaster because you learn from it. This is a scanning electron microscope. This is just showing you what the electrons look like as they come off the sample. And I was used to running for a team. So I ran in college, I ran in high school. I met people at NASA who ran. That's also how I got into marathons. I never would have dreamed that I would be working on rocket components. So it's really nice to be able to come to work every day with these researchers who actually developed these materials years ago, and they're still being used in rocket engines and turbine engines, and they're still really valuable in the world.